Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to adjust audio levels in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go and see how we can go ahead and equalize and normalize our audio volumes in GarageBand. So I'm going to open up this audio recorder option right here. That's going to open up the recording menu where at the top of the screen you can see the big red circle. That's going to enable us to start recording and so on. And now we can get started recording and accessing our tracks. So in the upper left corner right here, this middle button is going to open up this edit mode, which is going to enable us to see all the tracks we have created. So you can see here I have my drums track, keyboard, and my audio recording. So guys, now what I have to do if I want to go ahead and equalize and normalize my audio levels is to go ahead and click on the icon next to my audio recorder. So as you can see, this is going to go ahead and open up this new menu where there are a lot of options, and one of the options is going to be called automation. So you want to click on automation guys, and this is now going to enable us to adjust the volume of our track. As you can see here, I can select the volume and how I want to adjust it. So you can select whichever option you want, put it wherever you want, and this is how to go ahead and adjust your audio levels for any track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.